Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Nadine Learn English.
Sip and learn English. Пей чай и учи английский.
Lena, it's so nice to see you. This tea smells wonderful today.
Yes, after a busy week, tea helps me relax. I always look forward to our chats.
It is sunny today. Not hot, not cold, just right.
Yes, perfect weather for a walk. Yesterday, it was rainy. My shoes got soaked.
I saw your photo with the umbrella. You looked like a storm warrior.
Haha, in real life, I was wet from head to toe. Don't do my mistake.
Lena, did you hear about the new U.S. president?
No, tell me, who is he?
He just started his term. He promised many new plans and reforms.
Oh, what plans does he have?
He wants new laws in education, health, and also changes in tax policy.
Tax policy? That's big. People always worry about taxes.
Yes, he says taxes for middle class will stay the same and wealthy will pay more.
Heavy pay more? That seems fair. Education and health services also cost money.
Exactly. Also, he wants to support small businesses, give grants and loans.
That's good. Many small businesses suffer now. They need help.
By the way, do you remember Melanie from our town?
Melanie. Yes, she's a teacher, right?
Yes, she is a school teacher. She had ideas about local politics.
Oh, I forgot. What is she doing now?
She announced she will run for local office under new political platform. She wants reform in her region.
Wow, from teacher to candidate. Brave step. Do you know her proposals?
Yes, she wants improved internet in rural areas, better public transport, and more support for farmers.
That is important. Many areas have poor roads and slow internet.
She also supports environmental policies, more green parks, better recycling.
I like that. Young politicians often bring fresh ideas.
Let's sip tea. Did you try the new chocolate cake?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yes, very soft and sweet. Tea plus cake equals perfect mix for politics talk.
Yes, we balance serious topics with simple pleasures. Do people like the new president's plans?
Some do. Teachers, health workers, others worry about higher taxes or change too fast.
That's natural. In democracy, there is debate.
Yes, but if change is right, many will accept it later. I think his first challenge is delivering results quickly. Health reforms, education funding.
True. Promises are easy. Action is harder.
Awesome. He has to manage inflation, jobs, and people's trust.
Yes, people watch everything. Roads, schools, services.
If people don't see change fast, they get frustrated.
Do you think Melanie can succeed against the president's power?
She is small scale now, but local politics matters. She knows people.
Yes, grassroots movements can grow. She may influence her region first.
Maybe in future she will run nationally too. Viewers, I ask you, whom do you support, Melanie or the new president?
Write your opinion in the comments. We want to hear your views from your countries too.
And also, which policies matter most to you? Health, education, environment. It is inspiring to see new leaders and fresh ideas.
Yes, politics is about people, dreams, and action.
We learn English, but also learn to think and choose well.
Tea plus chat plus critical thinking equals perfect mix.
See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you!
Sip and learn English. Mini-lessons sunny, солнечно, rainy, дождливо, relaxed, sunny, солнечно, rainy, дождливо, relaxed, расслабленный. President, президент. План, law, закон, education, образование, health, здоровье. Tax, налог, wealthy, богатые, middle class, средний класс, grant, loan, кредит. Teacher like учитель, local like местный, platform, программа, candidate, кандидат. Интернет, rural, сельский, transport, environmental, экологический, recycling, переработка. Soft, мягкий, balance, serious, серьезный. Дебат, спор, assert, принимать, change, изменение. Challenge, вызов, deliver, выполнять. Trust, доверие, inflation, инфляция. Succeed, добиться успеха. Grassroots, местный уровень. Influence, влиять. Support, поддерживать. Opinion, мнение. Policy, политика.
Thank you. And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot for me. And I love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future. Read your comments and appreciate your feedback. So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day. Bye everyone!